Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Wings Glide Neckband Wireless Earphones. So let's have a look at the box and see if we have any information right here. So on the side here we can see that it has IPX7 sweat resistance. It comes with a built-in subwoofer for extra bass. It has up to 8 hours of battery life and HD microphone and a comfortable fit as per the company. And that's about it for what we have on the outsides of the box. Let's open up the box and see what we have inside. So there you go. The first thing you see is the earphones themselves. Other than that, you get a small user guide which tells you how to pair the earphones to your device and how to use the controls. You also have 2 extra pairs of silicone tips. In case the silicone tips on the earbuds don't fit you properly, you can always try these extra ones. So let's set this aside and look at the earphones themselves. Now, as you can see, these are neckband style earphones and the top is made out of plastic, so it's pretty flexible and it feels pretty robust as well. The wires here are pretty solid as well. They're not as thin and flimsy as some other neckband wires we've seen, which seem like they'll be likely to snap. These feel pretty robust and solid. The earphones on this side have the controls, which is the plus button, the minus button and the middle multifunction button. The buttons are pretty clicky and feel really nice. At the bottom here you have the little flap which opens up to the micro USB port. This is where you charge your device from. The flap, however, is very flimsy and just seems to pop off like this instead of staying on. Now on this side you don't really have anything, just the Wings logo, and that's about it. You also have these wire adjusters. So basically you can control the length of the wire, how much you want it to dangle, which is pretty nifty. Now let's come to the earbuds themselves. They do have magnetic housings at the back, but they are very weak, so they kind of tend to pop off in a while if they're lying on your chest. They have a matte black design and finish which feels very nice to the touch, feels pretty grippy as well. They also have angled nozzles which aid in comfort, and they also have these silicone tips. So pretty standard but looks pretty good as well. And that's about it for the Wings Glide Neckband Wireless Earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.